Hello and welcome to NUERA, and today we are diving into the world of Python by guiding you through the installation process. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to set up your environment, this video will get you up and running with Python. Remember that Python is an open source, versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's perfect for beginners and powerful enough for advanced users. Whether you're into web development, data science, or automation, Python has you covered. So, basically, there are two requirements you need to start up the installation process. That is proper internet connection and a web browser. So, I'll be using a Firefox web browser in this tutorial. You can use any of your choice. So let us dive in directly into the installation process. It's right here. So exactly up here in the search bar, I will type in Python, just Python. Then you press enter. Now this one is taking me direct to python.org because I've been searching for it, but let me first remove it. So let me type it here. It's Python. I'm interested in only this. So the moment I press enter, they will take me to that website or that page, the loading page which we are seeing all of us. So I'll take this first link. I think we are all seeing it. It's having python.org, then some HTTPS, then python.org. So I'll take welcome to python.org. So that is the official website where you can download Python. So where do I get the Python thing? We are having some links up here which are about downloads, documentation, community, success story, news, etc. So I'll go directly to downloads and I click it. So it will take me to another page where you can easily see that I'm having download the latest version for Windows. Then there is download Python. As I have already told you that the latest version is 3.13.0. So if you are having any other operating system, it's also okay, because I'm having Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, all others. So even if you are not having Windows, you can install it on any other operating system. But basically right now I'm having a Windows operating system device. So let me just install the Windows version. So I'll click where there is this download. I think we are all seeing it. The thing will download. You come here where there is other options. There will be an option for download. Those who are having other browsers, I think you can try Ctrl J to check if it will work for you to get the downloads. So I'll find it somewhere here. So how do I run this thing? You just show in a right click to show in a folder where it's located exactly. Come onto it, right click, then right click it. So there is an option to run as administrator, but even if you are double clicked on it, it will do the same thing. So let me run as administrator and they will bring me this option. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And they will tell me maybe to release some stuff and I'll be like yes. So they will bring you this dialog box which we are all seeing onto our screen, but make sure that you select this downer option which is add python.exe to path. This is very vital if you are going to run Python, and the moment you miss it, you miss out with like some common features when you will be using Python. So make sure that you select this. Then they use admin privileges when setting. This is okay even if you don't check it. So I'll just come here and just say install now. So I'm not going to do any customization. And if you are new to Python, it's all about you do this install now without customizing anything. So my setup will start running. So let me be closing these ones not to interfere with our progress again. Let me also close this. And that's okay. Even I can minimize my screen here. So that's what we are having. So it depends on your internet speed. Setup was successfully installed. So you see setup was successful. So they will show you some this new to Python start the online tutorial and documentation at your terminal type this, but this is okay. We are going to see it. So I can close this. So how do I check that Python is correctly installed onto my system? So you come to the Windows option from here or the start. So by default you are seeing my screen that I'm having Python 3.13 64-bit already installed, so they are showing me recently added. But what if I'm not having this? I'm not seeing it anywhere. I'll just come into my search bar here. I type in cmd, which is the command prompt we all know. Then I'll take enter. The black screen will pop up like this onto my screen. I don't know, let me somehow customize these fonts so that everyone can easily see. I'll take in some properties, font. I'll increase it to something like, no, this is very, but this is okay. Let me first try 28. So I think this is very okay. So I can just type in Python, then some space, then this is it a hyphen or a dash? There too. Then I type in the version. Then I press enter. Now they will show me that you are having this Python 3.13.0 already installed. So how do I check that the thing is correctly working? I can just type in Python. Remember, sorry, it has to be Python. So we are checking whether our Python is working. So the moment you just type in Python, they will show you something like this. Python.3 blah 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 blah. You know, it's very long. So how can we execute our first program using this? Don't mind of the syntax or what I'm going to do, but just know you can check it the way it is. So I can just say print, then I put this, then I say hello world, because I think this is the first program always people do print. Then I close. So the moment I press enter, they'll print for me hello world onto the screen. I think we are seeing this. So from here you have already verified that your Python is already installed. All if you are not interested in going all the way long down, you can close this guy. Then from exactly here where we had stopped, so I can say, now remember, now this is a Python application. So the moment you click it, again it will take you to an interface similar to the interface we got after we had. Let me see if it will work. Properties. I think I've chosen 28. Yeah. So like that. Remember, we are this step when we are just pressing Python, only Python, whether Python.variant. So when I just say print and say hello, don't mind of the printing thing. We are going to talk about it in the next coming videos. Well, then I just do close. Then I say enter. Again, it will work. So basically, that's how you install Python onto your computer, and you are free to go. So thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.